The structure principle of asphalt ball press. Asphalt ball pressing machine has a simple structure, but it can play a larger role. The equipment runs very stable, the overall steel is strong, the inclined iron pressure structure, mainly used in the non-hydraulic, constant pressure ball pressing machine, convenient structure adjustment, will not cause wear. Its structure is to adjust the lead screw inclined iron downward movement. Another piece of inclined iron provides a fixed thrust to the floating press roller so that the press roller can work normally for a long time. There is a reaction spring device installed on the frame and a sliding track. If the pressure of the asphalt ball press is very large, the passive wheel on the track can be flexible and telescopic to ensure that the mechanical parts will not be damaged to ensure the normal operation of the mechanical equipment.